In the depths of the Middle East, a dangerous force has emerged. The Houthi rebels, backed by Iran, have escalated their campaign in Yemen, targeting not only local forces but international shipping and military assets. Armed with advanced missiles and drones, these insurgents are now threatening one of the most vital maritime routes in the world, the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, where over 4 million barrels of oil pass daily. In response, the United States military has made a bold statement. The B-52H Stratofortress has returned to the skies over the region, and it is ready for action. This legendary bomber, known for its strategic power and precision, is not just a symbol of strength, it is a warning. For months, the Houthis have launched drone attacks and ballistic missiles at commercial vessels, oil tankers, and even U.S. Navy ships in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. These attacks have rocked the region, creating a ripple effect that has impacted global trade and security. As the threat escalates, the U.S. deploys its most formidable tool of deterrence, the B-52H. The B-52H doesn't just fly over conflict zones, it commands the skies. Capable of carrying over 70,000 pounds of bombs and missiles, this aircraft can strike high-value targets from hundreds of miles away. Its precision-guided munitions ensure that every strike hits its mark, sending a message to the Houthis. Any further aggression will be met with overwhelming force. As B-52s take flight, they are not just part of a military operation. They represent the might of the U.S. military's ability to deliver long-range strikes. Whether it's sea-based targets, Houthi missile launchers, or fortified positions in Yemen, this aircraft can launch from continental U.S. soil and hit targets anywhere in the region. It's a demonstration of global reach, a statement that no one is beyond the reach of U.S. power. With each mission, the B-52H reminds the Houthis and their backers in Tehran, you cannot strike without consequence. The skies above the Red Sea are now patrolled by these formidable bombers, always ready, always watching. The B-52H Stratofortress is an icon of American air power, serving as the backbone of the U.S. bomber fleet for over 7 decades. It was first introduced during the Cold War, designed to carry nuclear payloads deep into Soviet territory. Today, it remains one of the most versatile bombers in service, capable of carrying a variety of precision-guided munitions and standoff weapons. With a combat range of over 8,800 miles unrefueled, the B-52H can strike any target on Earth without needing to land. The aircraft's primary role has shifted over the years from nuclear deterrence to conventional precision bombing, making it an ideal asset for responding to modern threats. Equipped with advanced avionics, electronic warfare systems, and the ability to carry up to 70,000 pounds of bombs, it can conduct operations with unmatched flexibility. In the Red Sea, the B-52H plays a pivotal role in deterring Houthi aggression. The ability to strike targets in Yemen, Syria, and across the region, from both land and sea, is a critical tool in the arsenal of U.S. forces. The B-52H is a key component of the Bomber Task Force, which conducts continuous operations to ensure U.S. military dominance in the region. While the B-52H hasn't been confirmed to strike directly at Houthi positions, its presence is a message that cannot be ignored. Its capability to carry and deliver devastating payloads means that should the need arise, the B-52 can hit Houthi military assets with precision and speed. This bomber has delivered more than just bombs. It has delivered deterrence. Its appearance in the skies above the Red Sea serves as a clear reminder: the United States will protect its interests, its allies, and its maritime routes. The Houthis may continue their attacks, but the B-52H Stratofortress is always just a moment away from bringing devastating retaliation. The B-2 Spirit, known as the stealth bomber, also plays a critical role in deterrence and strike operations in the region. This stealth aircraft, designed to penetrate the most advanced defenses, is capable of delivering precision-guided munitions with a level of stealth that makes it nearly invisible to enemy radar. Unlike the B-52, the B-2 can strike heavily defended targets without detection, making it an invaluable asset in high-stakes missions against the Houthis and other hostile actors. Its ability to carry both nuclear and conventional bombs from extremely high altitudes allows it to operate effectively in high-tension scenarios, taking U.S. deterrence capabilities to new heights. Like the B-52H, the B-2 reinforces the message that threats to security in the Red Sea and Bab el-Mandeb Strait will be met with overwhelming and precise force. The F/A-18 Hornet, a versatile and agile multi-role fighter, plays an essential role in the U.S. Navy's presence in the region. Operating from aircraft carriers in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, these fighters are capable of both air-to-air combat and air-to-ground strikes, making them a critical asset in maintaining superiority over hostile forces like the Houthis. With its advanced radar systems and precision-guided munitions, the F/A-18 can conduct quick-strike missions against Houthi missile sites, drone launchers, and military installations in Yemen. These fighters provide close air support to U.S. Navy vessels and help secure vital maritime routes, ensuring that any threat to the Bab el-Mandeb Strait and surrounding waters is swiftly neutralized. The F/A-18's ability to operate in diverse environments, from sea-based operations to strikes on land targets, makes it an invaluable asset in the region's ongoing conflict. As the skies above the Red Sea continue to grow more tense, the B-52H Stratofortress and B-2 Spirit stand as powerful symbols of America's strategic reach and unwavering commitment to safeguarding global security. Whether through precision strikes or overwhelming deterrence, these bombers are a reminder that the United States will always be ready to respond. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the military operations and global security.